My name is Faiyaz, and we're here at the boot camp, lease option agreement boot camp, but BRR and flips as well, and refurbs.
There we go. And tell me, how's it been? How's the last 2 days been?
Yeah, it's been really good. It's been really good. It's been very informative. A lot of information, a lot of networking. Met a decent amount of investors. Hopefully, they become bespoke investors and make some money off this past couple of days. So.
Amazing. And what's it like being around Samuel, being around the team? What's that energy like?
It's good. It's really good. I mean, the energy rubs off when someone's telling you what they genuinely believe in and they believe in their process and what they're teaching. It rubs off on you. It encourages you to get on the phone, stops you from just procrastinating. And yeah,
Amazing.
yeah.
So you're at the academy?
Yes, I am. I've been in the academy since February. I have sold a deal straight after joining the academy in February to Samuel's cameraman, who does his shorts and stuff like that. He bought my deal, and he has a big social media following, so that opened up a lot of doors. And he has a strong connection with Samuel, so hopefully that rubs off on me, and then I can capitalize on that. So yeah.
So you've been on the academy like 4 months, and you've already sold a deal.
I sold a deal straight after joining the academy.
How many have you done since then?
So I've sold about three or four. Some in the academy through Deal Connect, some personally, but the education is what helped me sell the deal. So
And to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, new fees,
yeah,
tell me why this is a good place to start.
it's good because the environment helps. I think the biggest thing is when you buy a course, if you don't have a strong environment, then it's not going to help you. But if you have the environment, you have the energy, you have the knowledge around you, and you have the help, like the mentorship course, then yeah, I'd say it's the best place to go if you are going to get into it.